ain't really got no time for lunch date. But before the show, I hit you like a lunch plate. Baby, listen good, got me hard.
Alright, welcome back, guys. Doing a quick update on the G8. Just so you guys know, last parts are in finally for my car. I got the underdrive pulley. It's a little upgrade I felt like doing. Smith Brothers bushing kit and ARP head bolts. That's what's in this box. Brian Connell has everything else. He's the guy who's going to be building my car. So he has the cam and DOD delete and, you know, valves and springs and all that good stuff. So I got that. That's pretty much all upgrades from what he was going to give me. So upgraded a couple things. Underdrive pulley didn't have to upgrade. Just decided, you know what? Let me sit down so I don't spin on you guys the whole time. Decided let me go ahead and upgrade the underdrive pulley, so I went ahead and did that. Upgraded the bushing kit and went ahead and got ARP head bolts. Not required, just decided it's a little bit more peace of mind for me. So that's it. Waiting on one more part still. Waiting on the back cut valves, but that's all I'm waiting on now. Everything else is done. Back cut valves will hopefully be in this week, and my car will be off to be rebuilt or repaired, whatever you guys want to call it, next week. So hopefully you guys will have a video later this week, or next week, whatever you want to call it, later this week, to see this thing getting on a trailer and getting gone. But everything's in, except for the back cut valves. Those are being made, so those should not be too long off. Once those are in, that's it. Off it goes to get fixed. Currently, that car is down. My truck is at the dealership, getting some warranty and recall work done. So I'm actually driving my mom's Honda Pilot, which is fine. I like my mom's car. I wish she'd sell it to me, but that's never going to happen, so oh well. It's a great car. Pilot's got 210,000 miles on it, and my parents have never really had a problem. So I wish she'd sell it to me, but she won't, so guess I'll never have it. But it's a nice car. Anyway, that's pretty much it for the update, guys. Not much to bring you or tell you about. Everything's in except those back cut valves, so yeah, I just want my car back. It's real dirty. I can't wash it because I don't have a way to push it back in. I guess I could push it and my girlfriend could steer, but problem is if I get down that hill at all, there's no way it's getting back up the hill with just me. So I don't want to risk that. Otherwise it'll end up parked on the street, and I really don't want to park it on the street. So it's going to stay in here, covered in pollen, mostly pollen. Hopefully I'll have it back after Connell gets it. Hopefully I'll have it back after 2 to 3 weeks. I'm not going to rush him. Once he gets it done, he gets it done. I don't want to make him feel like he's rushed or anything. So whenever he gets it finished, that's when I'll get it back. I don't want to make him think that it has to happen quick. I want him to take the time that he needs to take to get it done right. So hopefully later this week, maybe next week, I'll be able to put a video up of it getting taken on a trailer and taken to Connell's house. And about 2 to 3 weeks after that, I'd say to have the car back running, driving. Don't know if I'm going to have much of a break-in period on it or not. I don't think I should, because I'm not like getting pistons or anything like that. So I shouldn't have too much of a break-in, maybe 500 miles or so. I'll have to talk to Connell more once he figures it out. Or once he gets the car. I'm sure he knows. Once he gets the car, he'll let me know what I'll have to do when I get it back. But yeah, that's it. Not much changed. Got my parts in, got ready. And hopefully I'll have the car back in about a week. Thank you, guys.